Namo Namaha. In last video we have seen etat, tat, kim, sarvanam, ekvachanam, that is singular form. Now in this video we will going to see all these pronouns in plural form, that is in bahuvachan. As we know that we decline etat pronoun for this and tat pronoun for that. So this is the plural form. So all this ete, etaha and etani we call these for feminine, masculine and neuter gender, and te, taha, tani for vesa, that is they all for feminine, masculine and neuter gender. Like ete and te, it's a masculine gender. Etaha, taha, it's a feminine gender, and etani, tani, it's a neuter gender. With this pronoun we are using anti. Anti, it's a suffix. This suffix we are usually using for bahuvachanam, present tense. When we are making present tense verb, we are using this anti. Now as we seen that in previous lesson we have seen that there is ekvachanam. Okay, like eshah balakah, yah balak, this boy. Balakah pathati. We use this pathati kriyapat for singular form. But if it is plural, that means in bahuvachan, it will become anti. So it will not ti, it will be pathanti. So balakah will change in balakaha and pathati will change in pathanti. Same eshah will change in ete and balakah will change in balakaha. Same there is for this is a pulling example. Now in below there is a striling example, esha balika. Now here we can say that esha balika, etaha balikaha. Now there is a picture and all that students are there, girl students, girl children, so they all are reading. So esha balika, etaha balika. Esha will become in plural etaha, balika balikaha. Now here with this balika we use verb pathati, balika pathati, and in another column we can say balika will become in plural form. bahuvachan mein kya ho gaya, balikaha, and pathati also pathanti. Now you can see that balakah and balika, it's a ekvachanam, and here balakaha and balikaha, it's a bahuvachanam. And as we told, the prefix and suffix, okay, so suffix it's called जो कोई word के पीछे लगता है, right? So here we use this patha dhatu and we join anti, so it will become pathanti. It's a verb. Now we will going to see how it will work. Okay, ete balakaha. What is this ete? This is the sarvanam. What is the balakaha? Balaka, it's a noun. Okay, and these two words are in bahuvachanam. All these two words are in bahuvachanam. So with that word, which verb will going to match? Pathanti. Because if noun and pronoun is in bahuvachan, definitely your verb also in bahuvachan form only. So here ete balakaha pathanti. This is the pulling form. Now we will decline. Just now we have seen that ete, it's a plural form. So ete vrukshaha, as we done ete balakaha. Now here vrukshaha phalanti, vrukshaha phalanti. Now here phalanti, in this phalanti, phala dhatu is there, phala root is there, and anti, it's a suffix. So it will become bears fruit. Vrukshaha, that means trees, bears fruits. Te phalanti. In previous slide we have said ete and te. What is the meaning of ete? These. What is the meaning of te? They. Okay, they all are bears fruit. Same we are using for striling. Now etaha balikaha, it's a etaha, it's a pronoun, and balika, it's a noun. With that we are using pathanti, that is plural form verb. Okay, now we'll see the example like etaha balikaha, etaha lataha. Okay, lataha, it's a a ending spelling word. So with that etaha, what we have to use? Lataha. Lataha phalanti. Lataha, that means creeper. Creeper bears fruits. Okay, taha phalanti. We have explained that etaha, that means these for feminine, and taha, they for feminine gender. And what is the meaning of lataha here? Creepers, right? So phalanti, that means bears fruit. Now as we learn pulling and striling explanation with plural form, here there are some examples for that. Ete balakaha, etaha balikaha, balakaha hasanti khadanti cha, balikaha namanti. Balakaha kim kurvanti? What children are doing? Kim balikaha gayanti? What balikaha gayanti? Is students, or we can say is girls are singing. Here te hasanti khadanti cha, they all are laughing and eating. And in the next column, nahi, no, balikaha na gayanti, that girls are not singing. Taha namanti, वह सब क्या कर रही है? प्रणाम कर रही है. They all are praying. Now more examples are there for pulling and striling bahuvachanam. You can see ete chhatraha, chhatraha pathanti, tena likhanti, anuragah arnavah abhinavah cha likhanti, te likhanti. एते नर्तकाः, नर्तकाः नृत्यन्ति, ते न गायन्ति. Now here we will go through explanation. एते छात्राः, these students. छात्राः पठन्ति, students are reading. ते न लिखन्ति, they all are not writing. अनुरागः अर्णवः अभिनवः च लिखन्ति, अनुरागः अर्णवः अभिनवः and अभिनवः. What is the meaning of ch and? लिखन्ति writing, ते लिखन्ति, they all are writing. एते नर्तकाः, these all are नर्तकाः, that means dancers. नर्तकाः नृत्यन्ति, dancers are dancing. ते न गायन्ति, they all are not singing. Now this is the masculine explanation. Now we are going to feminine explanation. Abha, Vibha, Nisha, Divya cha gayanti. Abha, Vibha, Nisha and Divya. What is the meaning of cha and Divya? Gayanti. Taha gayanti. The meaning of this sentence is Abha, Vibha, Nisha and Divya are singing. Taha gayanti. They all are singing. Eshaha krida kalanshah. This is the games period. क्रीडा कालांशः, games period. पश्यते बालकाः, see that all बालकाः, that means boys. अधुना क्रीडन्ति, अधुना that means now. क्रीडन्ति that means playing. Okay. एताः गायिकाः, these all singers. गायिकाः गायन्ति, these all singers are singing. ताहा न नृत्यन्ति, they all are not dancing. As we seen all these plural form of pulling and napunsakling. In next video we will see with exercise. Till then, stay protective, stay safe. Thank you.